What is good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over why I believe AMC and GME stock are about to have their third run. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GME stock every single day. So today AMC closed green once again. It was up only 0.5%, but throughout the majority of the day it was trading green. There was only 5 million shares traded of AMC, so the volume has been pretty low on AMC. We did hit a high of $4.83, so we are making higher highs and higher lows ever since we hit that bottom. And when we did hit that low of $4.62, I did call it the bottom, because if we zoom out, it looks like that is the level of resistance right there. It's not going to break lower than that. I believe so. And I really do believe we're about to start climbing higher and break past $5 over the next couple of trading days. Now, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but GameStop is looking extremely bullish right now. So it did form a bullish butterfly over the past couple of days. And ever since the bullish butterfly did form, we have started to rise higher. It did hit a low of around $21.70. Now we're back at $22.40. It was green, closed up 1% today. And yeah, we did hit a low of $21.66 today. So it bounced right back up, ended up closing green today like AMC. And I really am anticipating a huge move, because it is looking exactly how it was looking before this run up in May, right before it spiked up all the way to $80. So the volume did die down as well on GameStop, only 5 million shares traded as well, but I am anticipating a huge volume spike on earnings. September 10th, they're dropping earnings, and they can release some crazy news for GameStop. They can be waiting for September 10th, the day before 9/11, to release some crazy news. So me personally, I am looking into call options for GameStop, more than likely January call options, just to give it some time, you know, a couple of months. But I really do feel like the third run is setting up for GameStop. So I definitely do not want to miss out on this. I think it is worth the risk. In my opinion, I am going to take the risk. And when I do load into call options, I will let you guys know. So Adam Aron did make a post today. He talked about the 15 billion AMC share glitch that recently happened. Everyone was talking about it. So Adam Aron did say, continuing the FUD busting. Some of you relayed Morningstar's wild reports of a Northern Trust index fund owning 15 billion AMC shares. We contacted Morningstar to get this addressed. They had received a bad data file and already have fixed their error. So yeah, nothing but a glitch, nothing but an error is what Adam Aron is saying as well. I mean, I don't know. It's pretty sketchy. Why didn't this glitch happen with any other stocks? Why did it have to happen with AMC stock and GME stock? It's pretty weird. I don't know. That's all I gotta say. This guy undersaid too many errors and glitches with AMC. Why is this? When checkmate. So yeah, it just doesn't make sense that the biggest theater chain in the world is trading at all-time lows when we already know the box office is recovering. They're trying to suppress the price as much as they possibly can. AMC has been in this accumulation phase. We know that because the OBV has been at an all-time high. That really means that people are buying the stock more than they're selling it. So the pressure is definitely building for AMC stock. I'm holding all my shares, and yeah, I'm looking at buying call options for GameStop right now as well. This guy said, should Cinmark holders thank Beetlejuice for welcoming yet another new 52-week high this trading session? In case people don't know, the biggest theater chain in the world, AMC, has sold out and almost full showings. Wanted to throw that in there. So Cinmark hit a new 52-week high today at $28.58. Cinmark at $21.83. AMC only up 0.5% at $4.72. Make it make sense. You know, this is the stock that retail investors invest in, and that's why it got pushed down all the way from $700 to $4.72. You know, we're still up nearly 100% from all-time lows, but it just still doesn't make sense for AMC to be trading this low, which is why, in my opinion, it is definitely an opportunity to load the freaking boat. This guy said Roaring Kitty daily chart. So if we take a look at the GameStop chart, this is the RSI underneath here. Under the chart, that's the RSI, and we could see it's resetting and looking like exactly how it was looking back in April. So in April, the RSI was pretty low. Just like right now, the RSI has already reset and GameStop is getting ready for the third run. I really do believe so. I'm so confident that I'm going to put a lot of money into call options once again, because I do not want to miss out on this third run. I am ready for this third run. This other guy said, I remember seeing this same GME chart back in April. So in April, before GME ran up to $17, it was up 70% from $10. This is exactly how it looked. It went to $12, came back down to $11, then jumped up. Now we're seeing it once again, $20 all the way to $24, back to $22. You know, same thing but bigger, on a bigger scale. And this move can send GameStop to all-time highs. AMC, it would be beautiful if we could see AMC above $50. I mean, that's just it. Even $20, even if it's just trading at what Cinmark is trading at right now, it would be a massive gain from where we're at right now. Now, a lot of people are down. A lot of people have lost lots of money in AMC, and they're holding with averages way above $20, $30, $40, $50. But it is up to you guys. If you're holding with average price of that high, it is up to you guys if you want to average down. I mean, you know what you're getting yourself into. It definitely is risky business. But I mean, no risk, no Ferrari. That is all I gotta say. This guy said, breaking news for GameStop. Robinhood failed to allow users to withdraw crypto from their accounts. Back in 2021, Robinhood also prevented anyone from buying GameStop. There's likely massive insider connection between Robinhood and the hedge funds to manipulate stocks like GME and AMC. So it's all over the news right now that Robinhood failed to allow users to withdraw crypto. I would definitely, if you're using Robinhood to invest in any way, I would definitely steer clear from Robinhood. You know, just get off the platform. There's millions of other platforms that you can use. Robinhood is definitely the worst, especially after taking away the buy button. I feel like it is something they will definitely pull again because, you know, history always repeats itself. This guy said, can someone explain why Cinmark is a $28 stock when they have $3 billion in debt, and AMC is a $4 stock with $4 billion in debt, but more than double the size? So yeah, Cinmark continues to reach 52-week highs, while AMC has just been trading sideways for a long time. Even though AMC jumped up almost 400, 500% on May 13th and May 14th, it somehow still feels like it's been trading sideways. As crazy as that sounds, 400% gain, still trading sideways. At the end of the day, you know, when we just zoom out on AMC, it has just got pushed down like crazy. If we pull up the on-balance volume here underneath though, it just looks even freaking crazier. You know, on-balance volume at all-time high. People are accumulating the stock. The on-balance volume isn't dropping. People are still loading up as we freaking speak. Every single day, the buying pressure is outweighing the selling pressure, but there's no price movement. We've been trading flat for a really long time, and people are crying for a couple of pennies. People are crying when AMC goes from $5 to $4.73. Guys, this is pennies on the dollar. You know, when this spike does happen, and I really do believe it is going to happen very soon, these pennies, these little drops are going to be nothing. If anything, these are just going to be opportunities that we could have passed up because we didn't want to buy it. I mean, look at all the times AMC has dipped down to 462 over the past couple of months. Just bounced right back up, and now we're seeing it once again. I mean, I'm not going to be surprised if AMC freaking spikes back up to $5 tomorrow. Next week is going to be huge with GameStop earnings coming out. You know, there's going to be a debate between Trump and Kamala. I mean, history is just unfolding right before our eyes, and there's a lot of money to be made in the stock market, and I really feel like where the money is at right now with what's about to happen is with AMC and GME stock. That is just my personal opinion. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. It was pretty good that Adam Aron did address the 15 billion share glitch that happened. I mean, it's pretty weird that glitches like that only happen with AMC and GME stock, but at least he did address it. And with GameStop earnings coming out in the next 3 trading days, it is going to be huge. Volatility is around the corner, and that is why I am ready to load up on call options. I'm more than likely going to wait until Monday morning though to load into some GameStop calls. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with AMC and GME stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on.